Ready?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, we have a 2750 John Deere now. Nice farm tractor. It does not have a 3-point hitch on it. It's just a pull tractor right now. You can always get the 3-point. 84 horsepower. I believe it's around the 84 to a 90 tractor. We don't know for sure. We got to pull that serial number. But anyway, it's a nice tractor. It's got good rubber. Runs good, sounds good. Let's give her a whirl. Anything else, Jessica, you can think of? Ours is 60, hard to read it, 6737, no, 6237. And then it has a side one over here with about 900 and something. That's probably when they redid the motor, so somewhere around 900 and something on the motor. The whole tractor has 6237. And it's pretty dry. I don't see any oil leaks or anything, so buy it like you see it in the video and you should be good. If you're not, well, I don't know what to tell you. No, I'm just kidding. It's a good tractor, and if you want a fleet of them, it seems like we're getting one every day here from this one person. So anyway, that's it. That's all I know. I'm going to go put it away. Thank you. Goodbye.